If you're a student and you're still broke, you're doing it wrong. Let me show you exactly what I would have done at your age to make $10,000 without flipping burgers or drowning in surveys. And no, it's not crypto nonsense or selling feet pics. It's practical, scalable, and anyone can do it if they've got the right mindset. Here's the thing. They don't teach you how to make money in school. They teach you how to follow instructions. But the internet? That's your real classroom. And if you know how to use it, you can start earning more than your lecturers. I'm going to walk you through the same system I would have used today if I was still a broke student. First, stop trying to do everything. Pick one profitable skill, like video editing, copywriting, or digital marketing. You don't need a degree. Just spend a few weeks learning from YouTube, free courses, or cheap Skillshare trials. The key is to go deep, not wide. One skill done well will make you far more money than 10 done poorly. Next, start freelancing. Don't wait to be perfect. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even reach out directly to small businesses on Instagram or LinkedIn. Offer a deal they can't refuse, quality work for an affordable price, and don't forget to stack testimonials like cash. Social proof is your new currency. Once you've got a few clients, systemize. Create templates, use AI tools to speed up your work, and even outsource parts of the job. You're not just selling your time, you're building leverage. That's how students go from $100 to $10,000 without working more hours. So here's your blueprint. One skill, one platform, one client at a time. Do it consistently, and $10,000 is not just possible, it's expected. Or you could keep scrolling TikTok and wait for your next student loan, your call.